In this video, I'll show you how to install Fast Assignment on Moodle. From your administration menu, click on Install Plugins. Drop the Fast Assignment zip folder into the uploader. Click Install Plugin from the zip file. Click Continue. Scroll to the bottom and upgrade the Moodle database. And continue. Once Fast Assignment has been installed, you'll need an API key. You can get an API from the Virtual Writing Tutor by clicking on this link. Fill in the form, prove you're not a robot, and click Generate. Enter your API key in the box. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. From inside a course, turn Editing on. Click Add an activity or resource. Select Fast Assignment and Add. You'll need to put in a name of the assignment. And you can check to see how many hits you have remaining on your API key. Select the category of tests from the category selector. Here I'll select IELTS. And then from the drop-down menu, select the test you want to use. Now click Add. The instructions and any images will be added to the assignment description. Scroll down. Online text is selected as a default. And automated grammar check, student accessible automated evaluation, and teacher accessible automated evaluation are all selected by default. Save and display. Now I'll show you the student view. This is what the student will see. They'll click on the Fast Assignment, see the instructions and image, scroll to the bottom, click Add Submission, and type or copy-paste their text. Now you'll notice at the bottom of the screen it says the number of grammar checks available and the number of automated evaluations available. Now this you can change in the settings menu using the teacher's view. Here I'll click on Grammar Check. Wait a second as the system sends the text to the Virtual Writing Tutor for analysis. Here you can see that the system found 2 errors. Watch what happens when I click on Automated Evaluation. The system scores the text, counts the words, gives feedback on the assignment, on writing style, on the organization of the text, on the topic development, language accuracy, and again a grammar check. If the student is satisfied with their text, they can click Save Changes. I'll log out and log back in as a teacher. I'm now logged in as a teacher. I'll click on the Fast Assignment link. And here I can see all the submissions. Now I can click on Grade. And here's the student's submission. I simply have to click on Automated Evaluation to get a score. The system puts the score in the grade box and puts feedback in the comment box. Well, that's it. I hope you like Fast Assignment. If you have any feedback, please let us know. We'll be happy to help you.